Saikhom Mirabai Chanu has won a silver medal in the 48 kg category at World Weightlifting Championships held in Norway's Fort today. Mirabai Chanu, who was the world champion in 2017 and a silver medalist in 2022, registered a total lift of 199 kg, which include 84 kg in snatch and 115 kg in clean and jerk, proved to be second best in the weight category. This effort ended India's 3-year wait for a medal in the competition. Meanwhile, North Korea's Ri Song-gum won gold with a total lift of 213 kg, 91 kg in snatch and 122 kg in clean and jerk, setting a new world records. Thailand's Thanthiathorn Sukasaron claimed bronze with total lift of 198 kg. On her comeback from prolonged injury, Mirabai Chanu had won a gold medal in the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championships held in August this year, and she continued her good form in Fort. India has sent a 14-member contingent to the World Weightlifting Championships, which will run until October 11th. In the women's section, besides Mirabai Chanu, Bindya Rani Devi Sorakhaibam and Nirupama Devi Seram are also part of the India's contingent.